Now just calm down.
Whoa! Our story of the day is Buddy the Bear, written by Victoria Allen. Thank you so much, Victoria Allen, for sending Three King Visions this amazing book. Busy, come on, man. Let's see what Buddy the Bear is up to. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see what happens in this story. As the sun went down and the moon appeared, Buddy did not fear the dark because he has a special good night box. It is filled with goodies that help him sleep. Whoa! Well, thank you, Busy, for waking me up. Let's see. Buddy pulled out his fuzzy pajamas that kept him warm at night, and he put them on. I guess my SpongeBob outfit is my pajamas for the night. Busy, where's your pajamas? Oh yeah, everybody just calm down. Let's see. Buddy put up his stars that glow and twinkle all through the night. Whoa! What color is that star? Yellow. Can we say twinkle, twinkle, little star? How I wonder what you are. Then Buddy turned on his rocket nightlight that shines to help him see in the dark. Whoa! You see that rocket right there? Busy, where's your rocket? Never mind, Busy got wings. Let's see what happens next. But when Buddy reached into the good night box for his favorite goodie of all, it was not there. Oh no! Where's my blanket? He cried. Buddy felt like he couldn't sleep without his bedtime blanket. He looked for it everywhere in his room, but he could not find it there. Where's the blanket, y'all? Where is the blanket? Busy, do you know where Buddy's blanket is? Oh no, let's go find it, my little ones. Finally, Buddy looked out his window and he saw it. He saw it. The blanket was up in the sky with all the stars. Whoa! Where's the blanket going? Busy. We do. He had to go get it, but he knew he must be back in time for his bedtime story. Maybe we could devise a plan to get up there. Let's see. Buddy hopped on his rocket and prepared for takeoff. Come on, Busy! Come on, Busy! It's time for takeoff. Can you count with Mr. Billy? 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Yeah, Buddy. Whoa! His rocket zoomed into the stars. The stars smiled at him as he whizzed by. He saw his blanket in the distance and he got closer and closer. Come on, Busy. Go get closer. The stars right there. Oh no! There's a problem. The blanket is stuck on a star. Whoa! Why is that blanket stuck on a star? Buddy pulled and pulled and pulled. Come on, y'all. Come on, Busy. Let's pull. Let's yank the blanket back. Finally, with one last tug, it got loose. Yay! I must get back for my bedtime story. Buddy worried, but while he was flying around the sky, Buddy had got lost. Buddy began to cry. Why are you crying, Buddy? Asked the stars. I can't remember how to get it home. He sobbed. We gotta find Busy a way home. Busy and Buddy. Come on, y'all. We will help you, Buddy. The stars promise. Come on, Busy. We gotta help Buddy. Soon, the stars all lined up to make a brightly shining path to show him the way back home. Thank you, stars! Shouted Buddy. Everyone say thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Buddy launched charged his rocket boosters and waved goodnight to the stars. He sped back home, holding tightly to his bedtime blanket. Busy, come on, man, hurry up. It's almost bedtime story. Buddy made it home just in time. Skrrr! Holding his special blanket, he hopped in bed. Soon the door opened. In came Big Bear to read a bedtime story, Buddy's favorite part of the night. And I'm pretty sure y'all favorite part of the night is story time with Mr. Billy and Busy the Bee. Ain't that right, Busy, man? I love you, man. You're my best friend. Buddy snuggled up with Big Bear to listen to his story as the stars twinkled good night in the sky. Everyone say good night. Good night.